Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I have a walk around video for you all today. As you can see behind me, I have a very nice Ford Raptor. It's actually a first for our channel. We've never had one of this era, and this, guys, is a very high quality, very nice truck. I took it in on trade along with another Camaro on an F250 that we had. And guys, this thing is adult owned, super nice, super cool, mostly stock. Can't tell you all about it, but hey, if it's your first time with us, my name is Jake. I'm the owner operator of Success Motors down here in College Station, Texas. We take 15-20 minutes. We do a thorough deep dive into all of our video or into all of our vehicles. That way, if you're out of College Station or out of the state, you know whether it's worth your time to fly down here, drive down here, or if you want to, you can actually buy this thing electronically, sign all the paperwork through DocuSign, and we can deliver this thing to you no matter where you are in the lower 48 states. I always recommend coming to College Station, put your hands on it. Inevitably, you'll see something that I'm gonna miss. However, with something like this, it's a little bit different because this truck is still covered under bumper to bumper and factory warranty. So you're a little bit safer, but nonetheless, come down here based on your comfort level. All right, now that this spiel is out of the way, let me hop out of the way and show you guys this truck. It's a 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor. Guys, this truck is really nice. In my opinion, it's the best color, the white and the black. And I'll just say right off the bat, this is not the factory 37 package. However, this truck does have 37-inch tires. So the previous owner upgraded this truck to the 37s, so it looks like a factory 37, which is really got a great stance to it. It's got a real nice level sit to it. It is mechanically stock. It has 31,000 miles on it, so it still has 5,000 miles left on the bumper to bumper, and it has, what, 29,000 miles left on the factory powertrain. So this thing is fully warranted. It's mechanically stock, so nothing is void there, and it has just a few kind of appearance modifications, if you will, that I think make this truck look really good and really pop. One of which, again, is the tires. So it's running a set of, let's see here, I guess that's Vossen, V-O-S-S-E-N, Vossen. What is that? It's upside down, so I'm gonna try to read it. Hybrid forged. Vossen hybrid forged. So I guess these are a forged wheel. That's pretty cool. It says Vossen right there. I don't know a lot about these wheels, but they look cool and they look to be high quality actually. And I guess they are if they're forged. And we're running a set of Micky Thompson Baja Boss 37, 12 and a half, 17-inch tires. And these tires have great tread life. You don't need to do anything with these tires. You can see it's got the Fox performance shocks, of course, tuned for the Raptor. Those are the factory shocks, of course. But it does have those wheels and tires all the way around. It just gives it a really nice, aggressive stance. Another thing you might have noticed is it does come with a tonneau cover. Oedro, however you say that. Tonneau cover, so that's nice. And then kind of an interesting feature is all of the plastic pieces have been professionally rhino lined. So I guess the traditional plastics can fade over time and they have more of a flat finish. And the previous owner wanted them to not fade. He was planning to keep this truck for a while, and he wanted it to have more of a shimmer to it. So this truck has a nice, beautiful shimmer to it, and it was professionally disassembled and professionally painted just the way that you see it. So all of the plastic has been professionally rhino lined. Again, everything came off and it was done correctly, and everything was done. So it matches everywhere. So everywhere that there is plastic has been rhino lined. So it's the same texture, it's the same color, looks factory, looks cohesive, but has a little bit more of a shine and shimmer to it. And you can see on the grill, they went ahead and did the Ford in white, a different texture on the FORD, which looks cool. This truck does have the rigid fog lights. Again, they're kind of the white, so they match the Ford, which gives it just a really cool look. So bumper has been rhino lined. Everything plastic, everything black has been rhino lined, which I think it really makes the truck pop, especially like you can just see it shine and shimmer. So I think that's a pretty cool touch. Of course, you've got from the factory, the red hooks on the front and the back. This one does have the graphics package. So it says Raptor back there, which you already saw that, which is cool. Let me show you the inside. You know, the inside of this thing is special also. So even the running boards have been rhino lined, and then they put Raptor in white, which ties in the grill where it says Ford in white, which is cool. Now, all of the interior pieces So I guess from Ford, this is a red piece, but this is not red. So it does have the nice red stitching, which matches and matches, but these pieces don't come, I guess they come like chrome or whatever color they come. So previous owner had these, again, professionally done, wrapped, I believe this is a wrap, red to match the stitching, to match that, to match the stitching that's in the seats and the steering wheel. And then again, it's all cohesive throughout, so it matches everywhere. I think it's very tasteful because it just ties together the red stitching that's already on the seats, a little bit of red that it has on the decals, and it just brings it in to the inside of the truck, which, man, I think it looks beautiful. So this one is a high-end, well-optioned Raptor. You can see it's kind of got the carbon fiber look piece right there, the B&O stereo. Of course, it's got the Raptor branded floor mats, power seats, of course, and then these newer generation F-150s have super comfortable seats. No rips, no tears, no nothing like that in the seats, of course. Again, this is a very low mileage truck. It does have this guy for I believe it's for like a radar detector. So it's already plugged up for a radar detector. You can see, again, well optioned. It's got spotlights. You can open your trunk right there. I guess you can charge. I don't know what that's for. If you know what that's for, let me know. It's got lights back there, well optioned. Paddle shift, of course, on these 2024 Raptors. You can adjust the suspension and the steering. You can adjust the exhaust. You've got your shift paddle levers in the back there. You've got your shifter right here. Man, just super nice. Even that's kind of the carbon fiber. That looks really cool. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, of course, trailer brake controller. It's got the Pro Trailer Assist thing. Again, this is that red color, looks beautiful. Hill descent, cameras. I mean, guys, this one is loaded to the gills. This is a very well optioned Raptor. Oh, this one even has the fold flat doodad to make the workspace. That's cool. I just found that out, to be honest, guys. Really clean, really nice, and basically flawless. Auxiliary switches are cool because they have like texture on them versus like the Super Duties I'm accustomed to. So that's cool. Of course, this one has the panoramic sunroof. And guys, this truck is a 2-owner. The guy that I got it from had it for the past, I think, like 20,000 miles or so. 2-owner, no accident history, no damage history reported to CarFax. All that's clean. You can see that on the CarFax on my website, which is successmotors.net. You can see, got the box, got the rubber mats back here. This one does have heated seats in the rear. These seats have probably never been sat in before. It was a single male who turned the truck in, or traded the truck in. So adult owned, but he didn't have a family. So I bet nobody's ever even sat back here. Everything is clean. Again, I really like the just little touches that just kind of make it a, I don't know, special Raptor. And again, it was all done very well. Everything matches and looks good. Again, you got the red stitching throughout. Just a beautiful truck. Raptor, good job, Ford. Again, this is my first time having this generation Raptor. I think I've had an 18 and I've had a 14. And I've had a 2021 F-150, but never a 2024 or this generation Raptor. Everything is just really, really nice. Well done, well executed, nice truck. Of course, your frame is beautiful. I guess it has a leveling kit on it, so I don't believe that's a factory spring. So it's probably got a slight level to make room. In fact, it does. That says, I don't know, here's the code if you want to know. Looks like it says FibTac, or however you say that. Forgive me if I don't know. It looks like it's EIBACH or FIBACH, and the number is 3135060002FA. I bet the 02 might mean it's a 2-inch level. Not sure, or that might even be a factory spring. To be honest with you, I don't know. If you know, let me know. But I'm going with the truck might have a 2-inch level. Or honestly, I'm showing my ignorance on the Raptor right there. I don't know what the stock springs would be. I just would expect them to be black and not the silver color. So it might have a slight level, or it might be completely factory on the suspension. I'm not entirely sure. If you know, leave it in the comments and let me know. It's hard to be an expert on every vehicle. All right, exterior is basically brand new condition. I don't think we're gonna find any rock chips or anything. Of course, this stuff is in great shape. I talked about it already. That's a bug, not a scratch or anything. If there's not any dents, any dings, or big scratches anywhere on this thing. And I don't even think there's really any rock chips to show you on this rig. It is effectively a brand new vehicle. Again, it is only 2 years old, not even 2 years old, 2024, so what, year and a half or so. If you have any questions, give me a call, 979-202-1948. So I didn't see any dents, dings, or scratches, no door dings, no nothing on that side of the truck. Coming around back, dual exhaust, cool American flag situation, red tow hooks. Again, even the Ford right here has been rhino lined, so everything is matching. Do have a little scratch right here. It looks like probably somebody opened the tailgate, maybe too close to a door. This truck does have the little cleats right there. It's got the step. It's got your lights. It's got a spray-in bed liner. And I want to say, yeah, that'll go up on its own. That's cool. I mean, just no flaws, guys. Not seeing anything at all. And again, this one is under the factory warranty, both powertrain and bumper to bumper. So if you were to have any issues with this truck, you know, you're still covered under the warranty, which is just tremendous. It's always nice to buy cars that's still under warranty, especially buying a used car. So I haven't seen a single dent, scratch, or even rock chip. We didn't see anything noteworthy to tell you guys about. Headlights, of course, are in great shape. Already showed you that. Again, that Ford looks cool. You got your marker lights, which are cool. That's all been rhino lined. No cracks in your windshield. All that looks good. Roof looks good. I might as well show you the roof. Run out of stuff to show you. Roof looks good. I'll show you the engine bay, and then that'll be it for the day, guys. This is again, basically a brand new truck. Runs and drives as you would expect. Drives great, runs great. And then again, completely under factory warranty. All stock mechanically, even down to the airbox. Ford performance, battery looks good. Everything looks good and clean and new under here, as you would expect. But yeah, there you guys have it. 2024 Ford Raptor, 31,000 miles, still covered under the warranty, both powertrain and bumper to bumper. Mechanically stock. It does have the 37-inch tires with the aftermarket wheels. Let me know on the front end about the suspension, what you guys know about Raptors. In the meantime, after this video, which I should have done before the video, I'm going to look it up myself too to see what I can find about what came stock on the 2024 Raptor. But it potentially has a level, not sure. But otherwise, mechanically stock. It's got the tonneau cover, the 37s, the wheels, and the cool rhino lining throughout, as well as the red wrapping and whatnot on the inside, which really, to me, looks like a very custom and cool feature. But if you have any questions, let me know. 979-202-1948. God bless you guys, and I will talk to you very soon.